taught mummy graft is pretty much take all the leaves off. You want to have a nice chunk where the leaf is so that the node isn't pretty much touched by being cut. So you don't want to cut too close. How many nodes is up to you? I was taught that would be enough. So Helen always said to cut the tip off. So that's pretty much what you want.
Wow.
And then I, in terms of grafting, only leave like 3 or so leaves on. So, and the same, you want to have a nice node as well. And do that. And see if it's a good graft. I feel like I'm on the spot now.
Spotlight. Spotlight's on you.
Good. So I'll use that node. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry.
Good shot.
So that's and then it's really just making sure the nodes line up. And again, doing it quickly so it doesn't dry out. So once you have one wrap on, then just making sure it's lined up. And then trying to keep it as thin as possible. You just want to go around once all the way up. And that's it.
That's it. So that's why they call it the mummy graft. 'Cause
Yes.
to wrap